Hello everyone, Andy here, hope you are well. So we've had the announcement of the new DJI Mavic Air 2. So just thought I'd do a little bit of a video of a comparison between their kind of latest drones, that's including the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic Mini, which I think in all honesty are sort of market leaders for these kind of semi-professional drones. I just wanted to see where it sat kind of in the marketplace really for what consumers kind of wants or needs. But a lot of it is also really just my own personal opinion. I'm looking to see what you guys think. And by the end of the video, what I want you to do is like this video if you are actually going to look to buy this and why. So leave a comment below. And then do a dislike on the video if you are not going to be buying this new drone. And also put in the comments why. So I'm going to put up, which you'll probably see now, is like a sort of table showing sort of I think the sort of main features really of the three drones. And you can look through each one, but I'm just going to go through a few of the aspects of each one. So obviously initial price, so we're looking at the Mavic 2, which is £1,349. Now that's the most expensive of the three, but I also think it is still the best of the three. Now, at just over sort of half the price, you've got the new Mavic Air 2, so that's quite reasonably priced at £769. And then you've got the Mavic Mini, which is by far the cheapest at £369. Now, when I look at that just on price factor, now if I didn't have my Mavic 2 Pro, I personally think I would still go out and buy the Mavic Mini, just because I think it does pack in a lot of features for such a small, lightweight drone. And for when I'm going on holiday, even though the Mavic 2 Pro is perfectly fine, I just think it adds that extra portability. But the Mavic Air isn't far behind, but does it constitute paying twice the price for something that doesn't have enough of a features for me to warrant buying that? You could look at things like the sensors. Now the thing is, the Mavic Mini does have the smallest sensor. Now the new Mavic Air 2 is a half-inch sensor, so it is better than its predecessor, but it's still not up to par with my Mavic 2 Pro, and I think that's one of the big reasons for me that I still wouldn't be going out to buy this new Mavic Air 2, because the good thing about this, the Hasselblad 1-inch sensor, it has a much greater field of view, it lets in a lot more light, and the picture quality that I've been getting from that is absolutely fantastic. Now, video resolution, I think, is neither here nor there. I don't think there's a massive difference between any of them. As a hobbyist of producing drone videos for my YouTube channel, Mavic 2 Pro is perfectly great for me at being 4K at 30 frames a second, and if I want to do something at 60 frames a second to get that smoother shot, then I can just put it in 2.7K, which is more than enough. So the Mavic Air 2 doesn't really have anything drastically better than that, apart from the fact you can do 60 frames a second at 4K, which is a tempting feature. But have I thought to myself when I'm editing my videos, did I sort of miss out on not having 60 frames a second? Not really, no. Now obviously if you didn't have a drone but you were looking to have something at 4K and with that 60 frames a second, then that's going to be a lot more tempting than looking to buy the Mavic Mini. And then there's a few other little things like flight time, the sensors, and you know what, again, there's nothing that's drastic between them all. We've got the Mavic 2, mine 31 minutes, which in all honesty I've got 2 batteries and that's fine for me. 30 minutes on the Mavic Mini, but bearing in mind that's at 10 kilometers less speed than the Mavic 2 Pro. And you've got slightly better flight time with this Mavic Air 2, so say if you're only looking to have the one battery, then that might be slightly beneficial for you. But I actually couldn't find any details on what kilometers per hour that time is based on, so I'd be interested to know that. So as I was saying, that is just a few sort of main features for me. And actually one last thing is the Mavic 2 Pro, still out of the three, has the best obstacle avoidance. The new Mavic Air 2 is very close behind, but I don't think it has upward facing sensors. And obviously the Mavic Mini is very limited, it only has downward facing sensors. So if you're looking for something that's super safe, you know, you're going to be flying in between trees, that sort of thing, then having Mavic Mini could be a little bit risky. So in result, personally, do I think it's worth buying? Now, what I have to take into consideration is the current environment, where we're not really supposed to be flying the drone. I haven't flown mine for, I think it's about a month now. And so we don't really know when we're going to get out of this self-isolation. So is it the best time to be buying a brand new drone? Personally, no, because I don't know when I'm going to get to fly the thing. And by the time that comes out, who knows, we could have a new Mavic 3 or some sort of Phantom 5, and I prefer to spend my money on something that's going to be drastically different to what I have already got. Spending another £800 just doesn't warrant it for me. For what I'm going to get out of it, nothing more than what I can already get out of this thing. But I don't want to waffle on too much. I feel like I've gone over some of my sort of key points really with drones and what I look for in drones. And I think my conclusion definitely is that no, I don't think I would be buying this, and I don't even really think I won't be buying this new drone. Perfectly happy with the Mavic 2 Pro that I have got. It does everything I need, and it's still portable in my opinion. I mean, look at the thing, it's not actually that big. Everyone goes on about how portable these new ones are. Apart from the Mini, that is very cool. That is very, very small. It's probably about the same size as this controller. But the Mavic Air 2 is sort of slightly bigger, a little bit in between the two. So I kind of feel like it's a little bit of a pointless drone, which I'm sure might get me some stick by me saying that, but I honestly do. I just think it's the wrong time for a new drone to come out, and the features and the price, it's kind of in the middle of the two. So I feel like unless you don't have a drone, you don't have a Mini, or you don't have a Mavic 2, then why would you look to buy this new drone? I don't see why you would. But anyway, these are just my opinions. I would love to hear what you guys think. As said, leave me a like if you are looking to buy this drone and the reasons why. So put that in the comments, and give me a dislike, which I know seems a bit weird, but I want to see the difference between the two. A dislike on the video if you are not going to buy this drone for maybe similar reasons that I have mentioned, but please put in the comments below your reasons for both buying or not buying this new drone. Right, so thank you everyone for watching. I look forward to your comments and the likes and dislikes that I get from this video. Hopefully I will see you all again soon. Bye.